What's up, guys? I'm headed back to the house from a very unsuccessful dove hunt. It's probably one of the worst ones I've ever been in. It was supposed to be just me and Pawpaw going in there, but there was about 25 people there when we pulled up, and we did not do very well. I shot 6 times, I believe. I'll show you those here in just a minute. Not every hunt that you go on is going to be a barrel burner. That's a fact. So I'm going to show y'all the shots that I took. They're all misses, but that's just how it turns out sometimes. I need to practice a little bit more, I guess. I'm good with them clays, but them doves move a little bit different. I also learned a very interesting lesson about TACTACAMs and whether or not you can use them on inertia-driven shotguns. Now, the answer to that question, can you use a TACTACAM on an inertia-driven shotgun? Yes. You can. But apparently not like how I did it. My TACTACAM is busted to pieces, and I'm going to tape that baby back together and keep using her because I ain't going to buy another one. And the camera is still good. It's just a little lens piece at the top, that little piece that sits on top and screws on. It's kind of messed up. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll be back here in just a minute. Watch out, Pawpaw. Watch out. Right over your head. Well, I just learned a very valuable lesson about why not to put a TACTACAM on an inertia shotgun. I don't know if you can see that, but my TACTACAM is FUBAR. Hopefully it still works. If it still works, I'm gonna use it. You best bet. I'm not gonna put her down just because she's a little snapped up. No. Well, like I said, I need a little bit more practice, I guess. However, we were not on the X. Them boys that were shooting in the pond, they were on the X. They had a pretty good shoot today. But there's always tomorrow. I'm not going to give up. I've been doing this for a long time, and not every hunt is a barrel burner. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.